to me where in the Quran it says we should kill the Christians and the Jews.
Fight those who do not believe in Allah or in the last day, or who do not consider it unlawful what Allah and His Messenger have made unlawful, and who do not adopt the religion of truth.
You said the Quran says that we should indiscriminately kill Christians and Jews.
Yeah,
I repeat again, can you please show me the passage where it says that?
9:5. All right.
Yeah, look, he's calling, his friends are on the phone. You're gonna need a couple of phones, mate. You need iPads. You need iPads. You need HD TVs, mate. Yeah, okay, now check this out, yeah? Now we're gonna go to the Bible, okay?
Then kill,
okay.
kill the polytheists wherever you find them.
Well, what happened to Christians and Jews? What was it? You said the
Who's the
Christians...
polytheists?
Idol worshippers.
Idol worshippers, bro.
Okay, now.
In other translations, it's unbelievers.
Okay, now it's my turn. In the Bible, 1 Samuel chapter 15, verse 2 to 3, does it say, tell me if I have misquoted, you can correct me. Does it say, now go to Amalekites, go to Amalekites, kill men, kill women, kill children.
Yeah.
Look, he knows. He's memorizing. Kill babies and kill donkeys. Now, the question I want to ask is, what did the donkey do?
Why?
No, I want to know, what did the donkey do?
Why?
It says, go and kill men,
Why?
kill women. Oh, why kill babies?
Try the Quranly app today.